All right, here we are, day 6 in Greenland. Had a beautiful night's sleep last night. We reached Anchorage about 11 o'clock. And let me tell you, being in one of the forward berths and right next to the anchor chain storage locker, when that thing went down, it shook the entire boat, and it was just incredible. Woke up, beautiful, beautiful, calm, quiet morning. Still overcast, which isn't, I kind of like it because of the drama that this guy brings to us. But we've been watching this iceberg right behind us sort of slowly travel down the fjord, and it's a massive iceberg. We're going to go on land today, do a little hiking, and see what we see from our surroundings. We are in Bear Islands, kind of the northernmost point of this loop through ScoresbySund, and looking forward to kind of exploring the area and seeing what we see. All right, continuing day 6, we're up here in Bear Islands, and this morning we got off the boat and took a hike, and we walked up a creek bed that normally is dry, but today is flowing with a lot of water. So we hiked for about 30 to 45 minutes and made it up to this beautiful lake, and we're going to spend some time up here enjoying this. We still got some high clouds, but it looks like they're burning off. Hopefully we're going to have just a fantastic day. But while we're here at the lake, I'm going to work on reflections and photograph some reflections of this just amazing location. Well, we've pulled up anchor from our overnight stay. We just got done with our walk on land up to the waterfall and the lake, and we're heading out into the fjord. There's a fantastic looking iceberg right behind me and one right behind it that has 3 spires that we're going to go out and fly the drones around, hopefully. And then we're off to our next anchorage, which is still in Bear Island. And it's just a little bit further south from where we're at. So we'll tool around, do some exploring, maybe get up the sails if we can, and definitely go see some more beautiful scenery. All right, we left Anchorage and we're coming up on one of the most massive icebergs that we've seen, and we're going to go out here and fly the drone, and OMG, words can't describe the size of this thing. And what's funny is this iceberg wasn't here yesterday when we arrived, and it's just traveled down the fjord this morning, and as we were out on deck getting ready to go to land, we watched this iceberg move. You could see it visibly move against the background mountains. So just unreal to think something this big travels this fast.